and then I would just simply press the video record button. If you're a protester and you're walking the streets of DC and you're holding your sign and you want to record what's going on. Now I'm going to give you a preview of what it looks like to mount YenWhy on your chest. What you see here is me with the YenWhy series on, the series being the shirt, the belt, and the YenWhy itself, with the phone mounted across my chest, diagonally strapped. What I'm going to show you is what it looks like for when I'm turning on the record button using my thumb. So I'm going to slide my thumb up here and I'm going to press the record button. But I'm going to come a little closer to the camera and show you. So I'm lifting it up here so that hopefully you can see my video button. Just imagine that it's mounted to my chest. I'm just lifting it up like this so that you can see. And then I will just simply press the video record button. Now I'll just retighten it. I'll stow the excess. And I can orient it to face front. It was just facing down so that I could show you the record button. All I'm doing is tightening it. So now what I have is footage playing from a point of view. You see me recording what's in front of me. Just imagine whatever you would want to use this for. Whether you're a coach, a cornerback coach, coaching his corners in the drills. If you're a shot put coach for a track and field team and you want to record your shot putter's technique. If you're a protester and you're walking the streets of DC and you're holding your sign and you want to record what's going on in front of you.